Pick my fingers so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Now, we're going to learn reading. We're going to learn what? Reading now. This is sound. This is Z. And this is for the bees and for driving. Now we're going to learn the friends, how they write. Are you ready to enjoy? Now, for sound, we have a watch. We have a what? A watch. The word watch starts with sound. Okay. Fuzz. What do you think we have fuzz? Yeah. We have zigzag. We have what? Zigzag for sound. Z. Can you even see the shape? It's in this formation. We also have something else. For we have a vest. My vest is here. What is the color of my vest? Red. My vest is red. The word vest starts with sound. Okay? So remember, whenever you see a vest, remember the sound. Whenever you see Z, remember zigzag shape starts with sound. Z or zigzag. Also zebra starts with zip. Okay? We also have watch. Which I think you know that starts with even water. The word water starts with sound. Now, we're going to learn how they write these sounds. We start with We write a slanting stick, another slanting stick, a slanting stick, and a slanting stick. We are writing sound. Again, a slanting stick, another slanting stick, a slanting stick, another slanting stick. Slanting, 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 slanting. We are writing sound. Now for Z. Sleeping, slanting, sleeping. Sleeping, slanting, sleeping. Again. Sleeping, slanting, sleeping. That is sounds. Now for V. Slanting, 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 slanting. Slanting, 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 slanting. As simple as that. That is how you write these sounds. Remember, they are friends. We say the friend of who is a watch. Water. All those ones begin with sound. We also have Z for zip, zigzag, zebra. They all start with Z. And for V, we have van, vest. They all start with sound. Don't forget, practice these sounds, okay? Practice, draw pictures now. The activity is going to be copy and learn. You're going to draw the watch, then you write the sound. You're going to draw the watch and you write the sound. Now I want to show you how they draw the watch. Very simple. You draw the pictures and you write the sounds down there. Then you draw the zigzag and you write the sound. Then you draw a vest and you write the sound for vest. Okay, children? I'll see you next time. Please practice. Reading is